Damn.
Well, there's a...
Far down.
Great place to shoot a movie.
No, for real.
This is some Breaking Bad shit.
Go like right next to the river.
Something like that, yeah. I like, dude, this is a cool, yeah, just the, yeah. Got the bike trails.
Down there is where I usually take a big group to smoke. Kids from my school and shit. Yeah, I'll probably go piss it up with Forrester. Didn't you have to take a piss too?
Yeah, I gotta take a piss.
There we go. We had the
Oh yeah, ooh, look at that. Look at that.
That's probably so.
Butterfly.
Butterflies can't see their own colors. The humans can.
I used to go here all the time, like in the summer, dude.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh, that's when I lived over here, because I live like right down the street from here.
Yeah?
Yeah, remember I was Victor's neighbor for like 10 years?
Yeah.
That's how I met him.
Yep.
He used to come here all the time and just walk and ride bikes. Trails right here. I mean, this is...
Me and Drew used to just walk. Like, we know this entire area.
Yeah.
Never mind, I'm not taking a piss in that high ass fucking grass. I'm gonna get my dick chopped off.
The deer's gonna come out and bite it.
Oh, got a little hungry.
Yeah.
Not actually right here.
Yeah, guys, well, here we are, Mother Nature, as you can see. Just exploring, you know, just it's what I like to do, you know. It's funny because this side is Fair Oak. This is all Fair Oaks right here. Fair Oak side. This right here is the Rancho side. This is a Rancho. They live like, yeah, both of us like beside the river, yeah. The American River.